Time to harvest some potatoes. Let's see what we get this year. Here we go with our first bucket. Let's see what we got. Pretty hard, compact. Not super hopeful for this one. Rotten potato. Too hard and compact. No potatoes in this bag. Here goes the second bucket. See if we got anything in it. I'm gonna say potatoes just didn't do good this year. Found one little one. This one's dirt feels pretty compact as well. Let's see if we get it. Potatoes, small ones, but there's some potatoes in there. Look at that one fall out. Very compact. Huh. See what we get. It's a good size one. Looks like it got too hard down the bottom. Impact probably with too much water in the bottom when it rained early. But they're in the nice loose top ground. Itty bitty one. We'll keep digging. And another. Much lighter, much looser. Let's see what we got in it. Hopefully there's something. Rock. And another. Potatoes just a good crop this year. Well, there's a couple in this one. More than we've had. We'll keep digging. A little bigger one. That's a good size one for a red potato. And all we planted this year were reds because last year the reds actually did better for us. So I planted. This one was very compact. Apparently I didn't have the camera on when you saw that, me shaking it out. But there's a couple in here. We'll keep digging. Here goes another. Much lighter bag. But some of the lighter bags are easier to get out, but not as many potatoes for some reason. Should be, because loose soil. Let's see. There's one. There's one. If you wonder what I'm doing when I get done with this, I'm just tossing it into the bag again so we can refill it. So, ooh, look at that one. Look at that one. Nice, nice, nice. We refill that bag so we can use the dirt again, do any amendments we may want. Do it again. And we'll keep digging. Last one. Here we go. It's nice, hot, and sweaty out here. It's humid. Cooler than normal, but humid. See what we get. Everything fall out. I think it's a bust. We'll keep digging and see. Not the greatest, but that will definitely feed us a couple supplementary meals. I would say this year we probably have about the same amount of potatoes we did last year, even though we had more buckets this year. So I'm not gonna say it's a flop. It's definitely not a super successful harvest this year, but every little bit counts and it'll help stretch some meals and feed the family. Thanks for watching.